What's this about?
Well, you know, Trafigura has become one of the world's largest energy and metals traders, and they had never actually opened the containers in the manner that they were trading. And when they did so recently, after a 2-month investigation, they found there was no nickel in the containers. As a result, they believe that they have been the victims of systemic fraud. They're now taking legal action against an Indian businessman and some companies associated with that, and they're taking a $577 million impairment as a result of the fraud. People close to the matter say the group's head of nickel and cobalt trading is leaving the company, but Trafigura says it doesn't believe anyone at the company was actually complicit in the fraud. So the missing metal is a big deal. Trafigura began reviewing its relationships with various trading partners late last year. It's apparently been buying nickel in containers that are already on board ships, and then it sells it when the vessels reach their destination. The trade began to unravel when the company's investigators arrived at a port in Rotterdam, and this was just before Christmas. They checked the contents of the container, and guess what? No nickel inside. It was some other worthless metal. So this is a big deal, and Trafigura, again, is finding itself taking a big loss. If you look at how nickel has traded in the past year, there was a huge short squeeze that brought the London Metal Trading Exchange to its knees at one point, and that only complicated the issue. It made this a very popular metal with fraudsters. Just one large container can have $500,000 worth of nickel in it, and that, by the way, is a different standard than gold. If you had $500,000 worth of gold, there'd be much higher security standards. Not so with this metal, although that may be changing, but that explains how perhaps this fraud was able to occur.
So just another black mark for the metals trading industry then?
Yeah, Bloomberg has been reporting in the last year a number of prior incidents of fraud, one involving a Chinese company. You've got fake warehouse receipts that have been discovered, duplicate shipping documents, and containers that have actually been filled with painted rocks. Again, the security and checks that are here have been something new for at least these kind of metals that are not viewed as precious metals. For Trafigura, one of the largest traders of energy and metals, the loss is raising questions about its processes for verifying trades and checking counterparties, and it may also put more pressure on its metals trading unit, which has really been outshone by its energy traders pretty much in the past couple of years. The silver lining here is the loss may be lower than the more than half billion they've taken if it is able to recover some of the funds. That is still a possibility here, and we'll be tracking this.